Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're sharing 10 sales promotion ideas to skyrocket your revenues. Number 1 on our list are percentage or dollar discounts. It's part of human nature to love saving money, so consider offering your customers a percentage discount like this 20% off discount from Zola Registry. To ensure bigger sales, establish a spending minimum in order to get access to the sale. Number 2 on our list are redeemable vouchers. Vouchers can come in the form of cash back on a purchase or something more like a gift card. For higher ticket items, redeemable vouchers could be the incentive your customers need to make a purchasing decision. Number 3 on our list are free gifts or giveaways. When you give away something for free, you create buzz with your customers, and you're also boosting sales. You can make the free item only available for certain purchases or, again, with a spending minimum. Number 4 is buy one, get one free. If you have naturally slower sales days, like a Tuesday, then consider offering a buy one, get one free offer. Follow Papa John's lead by creating urgency by emphasizing the limited time offer. Number 5 on our list are free samples. Ever heard of try before you buy? Your customers might simply need to try your product before making a purchasing decision. Giving away free samples could mean tons of future revenue. Number 6 on our list are membership rewards. Membership rewards programs go a long way in promoting brand loyalty. Sephora's Beauty Insider program inspires millions of shoppers to rack up points to get free rewards, birthday gifts, and more. When customers feel rewarded for shopping, they'll do more of it. Number 7 on our list are bundles. Bundling certain products together can help your customers feel like they're getting more bang for their buck. Take some time to consider what products would sell well together and if you can give a slight discount for those who buy them in a pack. Number 8 on our list are seasonal offers. Nearly every month of the year has a holiday that you can celebrate with a sales promotion. Boost your monthly sales by celebrating all of them instead of just waiting till the end of the year holidays. Number 9 on our list are daily, weekly, or monthly deals. Zulily promotes daily sales by sending out their daily deals email. Ask yourself if there are products that you can promote daily, weekly, or monthly, and make sure to inform your email list about them. And number 10 are pre-launch or exclusive offers. You don't have to wait for a holiday to run a sales promotion. With exclusive offers, you can get your customers excited about booking your service or buying your product any day of the year. Get creative with your offers and create a landing page for them to give them more visibility. Putting these 10 sales promotion ideas into action will have you seeing higher revenues in no time. And don't forget, at OptinMonster.com, we have a free ebook for you about 19 proven ways to reduce your cart abandonment and grow your revenue. Sign up and get access today.